The shipping industry is sailing into a new age where emissions reductions will play a pivotal role. Today, vessel efficiency is determined during sea trials when a vessel leaves the shipyard, then never accurately measured again. Since vessel earnings, fuel costs and CO2 emissions are all linked to vessel efficiency, access to accurate data is essential for their optimization. This is where Miros comes in. Miros analyzes and documents vessel performance by leveraging accurate, real-time measurements of vessel speed, fuel consumption, and local wind, waves, and currents. These insights allow for meaningful optimization of the parameters you actually can control. As a result, you can evaluate a vessel's performance against its design index, as well as against contract warranties, by correcting for the external forces of local weather conditions. Let's digitalize, optimize, and ultimately decarbonize the shipping industry together.